Hey Glam Fam, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Ashley Glam, and welcome to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. You don't want to miss out on any new content because I am coming out with a bunch of content, and I am here to play no games, and I'm gonna just do videos because this is what makes me happy. Makeup makes me happy, so that's what I'm gonna be doing. Do you guys like my eyebrows? I got a video coming out on that. I got my eyebrows microbladed and I love them. Like, I don't have to draw them on anymore. So anyways, today for this video, we are going to do masks. So I signed up for Influenster maybe like, I don't know, maybe like 9 months ago, and then like 6 months ago I started getting stuff. And first I got like a box of like just random stuff like deodorant, Sunny D, a dog toy from like Bark, I think that's what it's called. And then my second box I got all the like L'Oreal lip rouge, however you say it. And then this time they sent me masks. So I got these. If you don't know what Influencer is you sign up, you download the app, they send you free products, and all you have to do is review. You don't have to be a YouTube, you don't have to post on YouTube. It's just on, usually it's just on your social media, or it's on like Ulta.com or the brand's website. So anyways, this is a jelly exfoliator, and this one is for all skin types. It's black currant, grapeseed, black tea, and it nourishes, exfoliates, and revitalizes. Transform a jam gel into a skin smoothing exfoliator. Black currant particles gently remove dead skin to reveal a bright complexion. Use daily, dampen skin, and gently massage exfoliator in light circular motions. Remove with white. It has just a bunch of really like good stuff in it, and just, you know, it just has like natural stuff in it, and that's what I like to use on my face. I don't like to use stuff with like a lot of chemicals, or any chemicals, I guess. But I try and look for stuff like this, like it's just more natural. But I know one of them's $30 and then one of them's $35. They sell them at Ulta, and actually you'll get 15% off if you go to their website, which is just Elemis, I think is how you say it, and you just order from there. You'll get 15% off with the code Influenster15. I'll go ahead and link it right here, and it'll also be linked down below. So yeah, we're just gonna get into it. Let's just get into it. So first I'm gonna do the Superfood Black Currant Jelly Exfoliator. My face is clean, I already put my hair back, and this is my first time using it or anything. My hands are clean, face is clean, everything's clean, so we're just gonna, did it say like wet your face? Dampen the skin. Okay, so I went ahead and dampened my skin a little bit. It just smells green. It smells just green. So that's what it looks like. And it is like a jelly consistency. So let's see. Oh, it looks like sparkles. So we're just gonna, it's very soft. Sorry guys, I'm looking at my screen, and I think I put too much on here. It's so soft. And my face is sensitive, like it's gonna get red, but it's not, like it's fine. It's not gonna react or anything, it just gets a little red because it's sensitive. But this is so soft, I don't even want to take it off. And it just smells like, what's in here? know, black tea or something. I like it though, it's so soft. This is seriously the best. Yeah, I like it. It's so like, it almost feels like the baby oil, but the thicker one. But not, it doesn't feel greasy, it just feels like jelly-like and just really nice. I think I just, okay, so I'm gonna go remove this really fast. I don't want to, like this feels so good. Okay, I'm so excited to try the mask. Okay, I'll be right back. I'm gonna go rinse this off and we'll do the mask. I'm excited. Okay, you guys. Oh, look, I'm still wet. That's what she said. Okay. It's safe to say that this mask is amazing. Like, I use, if you guys have seen my skin care routine, I'll leave it linked up here or down below. I use a exfoliator every day. Just whenever I shower, I'll use it. Just because it's good to like get off that, like, you know, dead skin and, you know, just refresh your skin for the day. But this I think will be definitely replaced by that one, because the other one, it just feels like really heavy and like beads, like it's thick, but it's not, it doesn't make my skin soft like this. Like my skin is seriously so soft right now. I do feel like that it has brightened a little bit. I don't know if you guys can tell. I'm a little breaking out, like of course, like always. But next we're gonna try the Superfood Vital Veggie Mask. And this one, it just says apply it twice weekly. This one has avocado, broccoli, seed oils, omega fatty acids to support skin's moisture barrier, vitamin and mineral rich wheatgrass and kale extracts to help replenish and soften skin. All right, so we're just gonna leave this on for about 10 minutes. But this one, it smells like ginger, but it's not. There's no ginger in it. So, sorry. So this one, yeah, it smells like ginger. My hands are clean, I just washed my hands. It's soft, it's very soft. It really feels like a moisturizer. It's so soft. I just poured way too much. Oh well, it's gonna be a thick mask day today. I'm doing this in my viewfinder and it's so weird. Because it's like backwards, your face is backwards. So I'm just gonna use this all over my face. It's probably gonna take forever to dry, but I'm also gonna bring it down my neck. Cause girl, your girl's turning 30 this week, so we need to make sure we get in all areas. Dang, I'm turning 30. Like, what the hell? What the hell? I'm turning 30. Okay, so first impressions. It smells like ginger. No, but it's really smooth. It feels like a moisturizer. I'm kind of curious to see how it's gonna dry down because it feels like a moisturizer. Like it's that soft. Oh yeah. So for Influenster, I noticed if you review the products like on where they want you to, and then I think if you also do it more, because I do it on my Facebook, I do it on Snapchat, everything. Like I do it on everything. So I think that helps also, because it'll tag them in there, so maybe they'll like see your name more often. I don't know, that's my theory on it. So just make sure to always tag them. I really love these so far. Like, oh, it's kind of like going away almost, going clear. I don't feel any tingling. It says you might feel like a light tingling. I don't really feel that. It did feel fresh when I put it on. Let me go wash this off and then I'll come back and I'll tell you guys how I feel about it and we'll go from there. Okay, so My face, it does look brighter from before. I don't feel like it looks as red, but yeah, so let me know what you guys thought of this video. Comment down below if you guys have tried this brand before, or what is your favorite mask and exfoliator, because I love mask and exfoliators. I have so many. I have a drawer full and a little bit of a cabinet full. But I love these. These are like really good, and I think that they are worth the money. I'm gonna go ahead, like, so far I think I would pay that much for these based off of the quality and how much you get, because I mean, I did use kind of a lot, so you know, I normally wouldn't use that much, so it's gonna last. It comes with a good amount in it. I mean, this one is a little small, but dude, this is bomb. Bomb. I don't know, these are bomb. Let me know. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss any of my content, because I got a lot coming.